Greetings in the name of the Most High Yah. It's King Yediyah, aka King Solomon, staying wise in life and in these markets. Today is the 1st of June 2022. I did a bunch of live trades today. This is another live trade on Oxy. As you can see, let me see if I could get this pen working. Last video the pen wasn't working, so let's see if we could get that working now. Right, so the pen still isn't working. Alright, forget the pen. So my first entry was on at 70.17. Then I re-entered, well, added to the position at 70.83 and at 70.93. So now we're breaking down. We're losing. I believe that's, what is that right there? R3. Yeah. So we're losing R3 into the close is 336. I'm trying to get back to break even on this trade right here so I could be in profit. This first one was 100 shares. This one here is 50. This one is 50. So trying to get back to break even here on 100 shares from 70.84 back to 70.20. Let's see what's going on Jpm. Right, so in 100 shares here at I believe that's S4. Yeah, so that's S4. We broke above it a little bit. Didn't break above the highs right there, so added 50 shares right here. So trying to break down. This wasn't profit, but we caught a little bit right here. Volume is looking lower, so we might continue to break down. Just risking some of the profits today to try and capture these trades. What I could do here is take off 100 shares. So if this moves back, let's see, let's do that. So that'll be 100 off in profit. Right, so that'll stay in profit right there. So took off some of that risk. And let's see what it does for the rest. Let's see, I think I'm gonna put my stop at 71.10 and let's see what that does. Let's see JPM. I think this one is gonna work out though. Go over to the financial XLF. We kind of rejecting S4 here to move down again. Hopefully I get that. I could also take off this 50 shares at break even as we pull back up here. Let's see. Damn, it pushed up on me too quick. Trying to get that at break even. Yeah, pull down. Right. So I'm gonna take off that 50 shares right there, so we only running the risk of the 100 shares right there. I'm gonna move my stop to 130.79. Let's make that 85. 130.85. Let's see if we could catch this down to 130, maybe. Because the setup for the reversal was looking good, but it's not looking so good anymore. It's looking like it just wants to hold support here and just push back up. Yeah, everything is looking like it wants to pull back on me. US oil is still looking weak. I don't know why Oxy is pushing up like this though. Oxy should be following that US oil chart, but apparently not, man. Got this cat jab sell right here that's looking like it's following the US oil chart, but it's kind of slow. The breakdown isn't coming down as much. JPM pushing up on me. Look like it's gonna stop me out. Oxy is getting some buying pressure coming in here. So it's looking like this one is gonna, these two are gonna fail right here. And they were setting up so nice for the reversal, but nah. Took that all back. JPM at least want to get back to these highs right here of 1 to the let's see, 1 to the 90, 1 to the 96, probably 1 to the 1. The volume is increasing as well with the push up, so definitely gonna get clipped out there. And Oxy, the oil chart is looking weak and Oxy is still pushing up, so I don't know. Maybe the buyers on the stock market have a different idea compared to the US oil charts, the futures chart. So now we're getting some buying coming in on the US oil chart as well. See on the 5-minute right here. See we over here. Almost getting that engulfing candle right there. Low volume though. Nowhere near the volume of the previous candle. Still got 2 minutes to go in this candle though. And if Oxy was holding so strong in this pull down here, then we're probably gonna clip me out as well. Let's see if JPM clip me out. Almost there, almost there. No dice yet though. Got up to 83, I'm at 85. Alright, so Oxy seeing some selling coming in here. Still don't trust it. And it's probably too late right now. It's 3:44. I'm gonna probably have to take the loss on this trade. Maybe if we could get back to break even around here at 70.54. Maybe it'll work out. Well, maybe it's not break even anymore because I closed out above here. So if I still had these shares on, this would be break even. So this is probably still gonna be a loss. I gotta get ready to close out these shares right now. It's 3:44. If I don't get clipped here, then probably get back to this level 130.46 maybe. Maybe if we have a sell-off at the close. Oxy pulling back a little bit. That's S3 right there. Is it gonna break S3? Volume coming in on this pullback. This candle right here had some volume on it, so that's good. It's now 3:45 and we're starting to break down into the close. Let's see what JPM is doing. JPM is pulling back as well into the close. US oil is still kind of holding above here with this breakout candle. See, I'm over here. Breakout candle. This next candle is still holding above. It just opened about a minute. No movement on it really. Right, so Oxy having an indecision candle right here at I think it's R3. Yeah, R3. It's also a floor pivot level here at on the 50-minute chart. I can see 70.75 is the floor pivot, central pivot. So I should probably use that as a gauge right now if I'm gonna stay in this trade or not for like about next 4 minutes. Maybe take a stop out at 70.80. Let's see, 84, 70.84. I'm gonna take a stop out. JPM 3 minutes to go till 3:50. Alright, about to get stopped out on Oxy. US oil chart still looking weak, like it's about to sell off and get back down to 114.97, 115. But Oxy is still looking kind of strong. Man, you know what? I gotta just take this risk. 70.95, that's my risk. Right above this level right here. 71, yeah. Just take the risk at 71. Try and hold on for... Because this is looking like it wants to break down, man. Break down into the close. Put my stop at 130.90. And let's see what we could do in the close here. 3:48. Got 12 minutes to go. I still think this Oxy is going to continue breaking down because CAD-JAP is breaking down. I'm in a short on CAD-JAP from 103.002. So I'm still thinking this US oil is going to break down and bring Oxy down. Oxy is looking like it wants to pull down into the close. Let's see what we do. It looking like we're getting this breakdown right now. R3. That red line right there, that's R3. Let's see what JPM is doing. Right, JPM is struggling with this shooting star candle as that materialized right here. Lots of volume on it too. We have a lot of volume on this. Damn, look how that just popped up. But a lot of selling is coming in though. Maybe we could hold on to this stop loss. Maybe that could survive, man. Come on, Oxy. We got some weak rejections. US oil is still holding below this level right here at 115.19. Looking like it's gonna get back to 115, 114.96. Looking like we're setting up with the wick rejections to break down R3. Probably get me back to 70.17 before market closes. Let's see what JPM is doing. Damn, this JPM, man. Let's see. Financials. Boom. Yeah, man, we got some nice wick rejections right here at S4. Financials just need to break down and break below this level right here. This is a high volume node on that red line right there. Right, so we're getting the move down with the financials moving down as well. We broke volume point of control. Nice volume, looking like selling coming in. I like them two candles right there, them two high volume candles right there. Got this shooting star, and then we got this kind of indecision right at volume point of control. Then we have the answer right here at volume point of control with the selling off coming in now. Man, Oxy still showing some signs of strength around R3. I don't think Oxy wants to break down, man. Financials is looking cool for a sell-off, XLF, but I don't know about Oxy. Oh, Jap is moving down nice. So US oil, what are you doing? Come on, US oil, you gotta break down and pull Oxy down with you, man. We playing around here at 115.14. Come on, let's get this flush down for the last 8 minutes. Let me get a nice flush down. Let's see JPM flushing down nice. All right, I think I'm gonna add 50 shares here on you know what? Boom, I'm gonna take this here. Oh shit. Nah, I missed it. I missed my entry. Let's see. Let's look on the level 2 to see what target I could take. Closest one is 130.19. Like a clear defined bid above the rest around here is at 130.16, 130.19. So let me move this into a break-even situation here. Let's see what Oxy is doing. Let's see, 50 shares on Oxy. Nah, I think, you know what, I think I'm gonna just hold on to this. Let me let this play out. I ain't got much time, got 6 minutes left. We're starting to break down now. JPM breaking down nice, heavy volume. I think I'm gonna catch my target on JPM. Might even take it down to 129.50, 129.80, and see what it does. If we start getting this bounce here, I think I'm gonna close it off around 130, at least 34. Yeah, so that's my break even. 130.33. Yeah, I think I'm gonna take it right there. And let's see what else happens. Let's see what Oxy is doing. Oxy is pushing down. Right, the market is pushing down nicely. So let's see. Oxy. I think I'm gonna break even this trade right here on Oxy. 70.53. We at 43. Alright, move you down to 130.16. We got 4 minutes left. Maybe take it down to 129.50. Start trailing this tighter. 130.06. Alright, let me see what Oxy is doing. 70. Alright, so I'm gonna go to 70.47. Just keeping it tight because I just wanted to flush down from here, and I ain't got much time left. 3 more minutes before the market closes. See JPM. Alright, so we're out on JPM. Right. Right, so I'm back. All the profits that I lost on one of these trades here, I got it back. So let's see if Oxy is gonna hold me in to make a nice profit on that. Oxy might come and stop me out. Right, so I basically got back to where I started on these trades. So I probably jumped in too early. Probably should have waited for some entries above here. And I managed the risk here on Oxy, took off these 2 trades in profit, so it didn't cost me anything. And then, well, obviously I had to sustain this loss here, but within both those trades, JPM and Oxy, this one got me back into profit. This one got me back into profit here. This entry right here, 100 shares, then 50, then took off the 50, and then the 100 just came down to 130.38 to 130.08. So small money, you know what I mean? But all in all, stayed green and kept all my profits from today with a little sum added on the top. Alright, y'all, it's your boy King here, aka King Solomon, staying wise in life and in these markets. Was another live trade. I hope you all are enjoying these, because when I used to look at trade recaps, it used to be, well, you're basically looking at a dead chart, you know, nothing is moving. So I'm giving you live trades, you know what I mean? How transparent could I get? You know what I mean? How much more transparent could I get? And I'm even saying how much shares I'm taking now, so you know what I mean, you could see exactly what I'm doing, you know. Alright, y'all, trade safe and stay blessed.